What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is my sister, and we're gonna play it Rev. But okay, so the rules are: whoever the car, we have to bang. Whoever
No, I'd be the white one.
wait, stop. Whoever falls off first loses. Or if this button, see, it used to be blue, but now it's red. See? Because it's blue. If it turns red, then that means you killed. You're dead. Okay, ready? Combine your devices here, Navy. Go to Rev here. I'm the white. You're the black. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not playing two.
Wait. You just drive now. Oh, Navy's the white one. I guess I'm the black one now. You're the yellow one, Navy. Wait. Okay, ready? Set.
Hey, first team.
Oh no. I win. Okay, let's do one more round. Ready? Set, go.
Have you shoot?
Yeah.
Oh, hit the door.
I win. Okay, look. Her Navy. No, you can't do that. No, that's cheat. That's cheat. You can't do that.
Okay, fix it.
Oh, you winning. Oh, okay. It's 2-1. I win. Maybe you can't drive off, or you're dead. I was so close. Oh, thank you for saving me. You can't do that. You can't do that. Okay, it's 2-2. Yeah, it's 10. Oh!
See two of yours. There's two options for you.
Oh no! I win. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.